Hello guys, in this video we are going to design a blinking LED project using Arduino UNO. For this we require an LED, 220 ohm resistor, a breadboard and some connecting wires as well as an USB A to B cable. So come, let's start. I'm going to connect both the terminals of LED to the breadboard on the same line. So as you can see, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. I'm going to connect the negative terminal of LED with a resistor and connect another end of the resistor to negative in breadboard. So I'm going to connect a black wire to the negative terminal on breadboard and connect the another end of the male jumper wire to the ground on Arduino. Take another wire, connect it to the positive terminal of LED and connect the other end of the wire to the 13th pin in Arduino UNO board. So that's it. We have completed the project. Let's upload the coding provided in my description and check out the output. So this is the output. The LED remains on for 1 second and off for another second.